interested to see what that looks like. Hopefully it's actually green. Oh no, it's pink. It's pink. Look at that. That looks so cool. Ooh. And then let's see what's under the purple cap. It's kind of like a purple, brown, gold kind of. I don't know, that's a weird, unique color. And then there's like a pink cap. So, that one's like a deep purple black. So that's pretty cool. I do want to do a look for like the Yum Yum Bedlam by Insane Clown Posse, because it's a woman.